How to install large screen radio to Toyota Corolla. First, let's remove the screen housing of the original car. Second, let's remove the air conditioning button panel. Third, let's open the panel in this position. Fourth, let's take out the air outlet of the air conditioner. Fifth, loosen the screws and remove the original car screen. Sixth, install the air outlet and decorative panels back. 7. Install the air conditioning button panel with the new screen base. Connect the new screen power cord. Just plug in the new screen and wire socket. Thank you for watching.